I thought you might enjoy watching the multi-tool being laser engraved. Have fun!
That looks so cool. The lens makes a big difference, I think.
What's that?
The lens makes a big difference.
Yeah, that 200 lens is probably not optimal.
Yeah, it looks totally uniform everywhere it's cutting.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video of the multi-tool being laser engraved. It's a really fascinating thing to watch, and it is amazing to see how precise the light beam can be moved around the part. It is almost hypnotic. And so if you would like to see some videos showing how this part was actually designed in CAD/CAM, please let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to do that. Okay, thank you so much for watching.